welcome to your lipstick. So I am so excited for this video because I have been meaning to film this for well over 2 to 3 weeks now, and this stuff has just been sitting here and I haven't used any of it because I wanted to do a haul. So let's get on into it. This is my Walmart and Target, mostly makeup, I guess I would say beauty products video. So let's get on into it. So the first thing is I got a bunch of these sheet masks from Walmart. I have never tried any of these, but I thought they sounded interesting, and I'm getting really into face masks lately. I never used to be, but now all of a sudden I'm so interested in them. So I got 3 of them. This is the Miss Spa Bubbling Facial Sheet Mask, which I'm very excited about. I have a Detoxify one, and then the Purify one, which is like a charcoal mask, and you guys know that I love my Freeman Feeling Beautiful charcoal exfoliant, so I'm really excited about the charcoal mask. I also forgot some of this stuff in here is also from Marshalls / TJ Maxx, so I'm going to show you guys that stuff too, but let's go through the Walmart stuff since I'm already on that. I got this Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Flawless Natural Looking Color Instantly Deep Bronze fake tanning lotion. It's that moussey kind, so it goes on and you can see where you put it so it doesn't leave streaks and stuff, which is really nice. I prefer those. I know everyone here on YouTube talks about that one tanning product. I'll think of it later and I'll put it on the screen. But I haven't tried it, and I know I should because everyone raves about it, especially those who live in Australia and the UK. They talk about it all the time. It's the one with the pink packaging. I just can't think of what it is. Loving Tan. And so I should try that out, but I don't know, I just like looking for cheaper alternatives of products, and I'm hoping this works, so I will check in with you guys and let you know how this went. This is actually the one that is supposed to be darker for medium skin tones, and you guys can see I'm not a medium skin tone, so we'll see if I look like a weirdo when I put this on. So I did finally pick up the new version of one of my absolute favorite drugstore foundations. That's the CoverGirl Outlast All Day 3-in-1 foundation. They recently redid the packaging, and I think it's the same formula. I'm not sure, but I've had the old packaging one for a really long time, so I'm going to go through my collection and declutter that because it's probably pretty old and should be replaced. So I just got a new one, and I'm going to see if this is the same or not. I'll probably do a review and demo on my channel, trying out both on one half of my face just to make sure that they are the same, because I'm going to be really disappointed if they're not, because I love this foundation. Next up are the last items from my Walmart portion of this. I got 2 things from Flower Beauty. Now I will say I have tried this one out. This is the Flower Beauty Cream Lipstick in the shade number 10, Bare Pout. It's a really beautiful, nice, natural pink shade for fair skin tones. It looks really bright when you first put it on, but it kind of like, I don't know, it dulls down a little bit like once you're wearing it. It's a really gorgeous, nice, natural shade for pale girls. So if you're looking for that one beautiful nudie pink, definitely try this one out because I think this is just gorgeous. Another kind of like pale pink product is their liquid lipstick in the shade Bare Honey ML2. So this has dried down at this point. This is it. This is not a budge-proof liquid lipstick, just so you guys know that. It is kind of a more cream formula. I put my finger in it and like kind of got it all over the place, but it is more of a mauve tone. It's darker than the liquid, or than the regular form of lipstick. But I think they're both really pretty, like kind of natural colors. This one's going to be quite dark on me. I didn't quite expect it to be as dark as it is compared to the tube, but it's pretty. It's a pretty color. Now let's move on to the stuff that I got from Target. So first of all, I repurchased one of these highlighters, the Pixie by Petra Glow Highlighter. This is the Glowy Gossamer Duo in the shade Delicate Dew. Mine broke, so I had to buy a new one, and I love this. This is my favorite drugstore highlighter. I did want to try out one of these little things. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighters. These are supposed to be kind of similar, you know, to the Cover FX type of stuff. I know it's not going to be like that, but I did want to try them out because I do like liquid highlight a lot. I like to put it underneath over my foundation and then a little bit of powder on top. Makes it look really pretty, so I wanted to try this one out. If I didn't say, the shade is Halo Goodbye. Ooh, a pun. I don't like puns. I got another liquid lipstick here. This is the Maybelline liquid lipstick, the Super Stay Matte Ink. These I love. I love these liquid lipsticks. They dry down so budge proof. They're just fantastic and they feel great on the lips. As you can see, it's kind of one, it's a mid in between these two colors. It's a little bit lighter of a nude than this one, but it's a little bit darker than that one. I think it's going to be a really pretty color. It's just like the perfect nice pink on my lips. A little bit more neutral than some of the other colors that I have in my collection. So, and I love these so much. I wish I could pick up all of them, but that would be ridiculous. Why would I do that? I have so many liquid lipsticks, it's insane. But I love these. These are so good. I definitely recommend them. I did also get a liquid lipstick from e.l.f. This is my favorite shade of that e.l.f. makes in their lipstick products. This is the shade Tea Rose, and I have their like lip crayon in Tea Rose. I think it's the most beautiful color. It's like this beautiful kind of purpley pink shade. It's so, so, so pretty. I just love it. It looks a little bit different in the liquid lipstick formula than it does in the regular cream lipstick, but like maybe a little bit more brown than purple, but it's still so pretty. I just love it. And I wanted to test out their liquid lipstick formula. It's liquid matte lipstick, so it should dry down matte. Wanted to try out because I haven't tried any of these. These are $5, pretty good for a liquid lipstick price. Actually, the Maybelline ones aren't much more, so I don't know. We'll see. I'll compare them and see which ones I prefer. I also got another brow pencil from e.l.f. This is the shade that I use in their brow pencil Deep Brown. I really like these. It's a really nice kind of crayon formula. Goes on really easily. I just like the convenience of it, so I pick those up all the time. They're only like $2 or $3. Also from Maybelline, I got the Brow Drama by Eye Studio. I really wanted to try this out. It's one of those like fiber brow gels that comes in your brow shade. I got the shade Deep Brown. I just wanted to try it out because I think Shannon XO raves about this. I'm pretty sure she does. So I wanted to try it out and see what it's like because I love brow, like easy brow comb through kind of products. The easier the better. I also picked up from L'Oreal the True Match Lumi Glotion. I really wanted to try this out because I absolutely love MAXX Strobe Cream, but I haven't picked that up for a really long time, and drugstore is coming out with a lot more products that are like strobe cream. This would be one of them, and it's supposed to be a hydrating illuminator, so it's more like a lotion, hence glotion, than like a liquid highlight would be. So you can put this all over your face underneath your foundation, which is my favorite thing to do when I want a nice glowy look. So I'm going to try this out, and I'm really excited. I have a wedding coming up in a couple weeks, and I'm going to do a tutorial for that wedding, and I'm probably going to try this out that day. I also picked up the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Balance stick foundation. I have not tried any stick foundations from drugstore or high-end, so I wanted to try this out. Actually, I take that back. I tried one from Sephora, the Sephora brand one, and I hated it. And I got rid of it. I sold it on Mercari right away. I used it once, that was it. But I want to try this one out because I did hear good things about this. I'm pretty sure from the Tela. So we'll see. And then lastly from Target, I got the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I got this on recommendation from Kathleen Lights. She raves about this stuff, especially because she has dry skin, and so do I. I really wanted to try this out. So yeah, actually let me try it right now because my skin is a little bit dry, and I had just put all my makeup on, so we'll see what this is like. That's a really nice fine mister. I like that a lot. And it smells nice and fresh. Like it almost smells like clean towels, you know, the candles that smell like clean towels, not actual clean towels, just the candle. But it smells really good and kind of floral. I like that a lot. So we'll see how it does throughout the day, if it stays hydrating and stuff like that. So I will keep you guys posted. Let's get into my favorite part now. The most exciting part is the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx / Marshalls. First of all, this is what I'm really excited about. This is the Dr. Brandt Overnight Revitalizing Serum. It's 2% retinol. His stuff is really expensive. This is like $86 regular price, and I got it for $10 on clearance. So excited for a retinol product. This is like ordinary skincare kind of price. So I'm really, really excited for this. I love retinols to use at night because they turn over the cells of your skin and give you baby face in the morning, so you have nice soft skin when you wake up. and it just gets rid of those dead skin cells and really helps to rejuvenate the skin. Like if you have a lot of acne scarring, it helps rejuvenate that faster. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I cannot believe the price on that. 86 bucks for 10. Come on, that's the best deal ever. I also got a Lipstick Queen lipstick. I've never tried anything from Lipstick Queen, but I was very excited to see this because of the color. This is right up my alley. This is one of the Sinner lipsticks in the shade Deep Red Sinner. So nothing was touched, nothing was used yet, so it's a beautiful deep dark red, and I'm very excited about it. I want to see what all the hype is about this Lipstick Queen because I've never tried anything from them. I just saw them in Ulta like a few years back, and I was like, who is this? What is this? I've never even heard of it. So they have that like color changing frog prints lipstick and the blue one too, the sailor one. I do kind of want to try those out, but I don't know, I'm kind of iffy about it because of the price tag. They're very expensive. So I got this for $7.99. Then I also got a brow pencil from Kevyn Aucoin. Very excited about this. This was also $7.99. It is my shade as well. It's a nice dark brown brow pencil. It's a gel brow pencil, which excites me. So it comes with a little gel brow pencil on one side, and then the other side is a little brush that you can use to kind of smooth it through. I wish it was a spoolie, but we'll see how this applies. So I'm very excited about this. I have never tried anything from Kevyn Aucoin, so yeah, super excited. And then the last three products I have are all from Stila. I have one Stila Stay All Day Matte lipstick. This is also a red in the shade Bisou. It is in this kind of packaging here. Really, really pretty. And then it's just a red lipstick, just kind of like the other one, but a little bit more of a true blue red. And then I've got two liquid lipsticks here, one in the shade Venezia and Toscana. So one is more of like a neutral nudie kind of color, and then the other one is in orange, which I love orange lipsticks. So this is what they look like in the packaging, and it actually kind of is more of a coral orange. I'm going to swatch these. So this is the one in Venezia, and they smell like vanilla. Oh my god, that's so good. Kind of like cherry vanilla though. And then this is the one in Toscana. Kind of more of a brown, nudie brown shade right there. Really, really cool toned brown, which I love, obviously. So yeah, those were all the products that I got from Walmart, Target, and TJ Maxx. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.